Very, very good evening to one and all present here. I'm Ridhima Pathak, your host for the evening, and my co-host is somewhere there interacting with everybody who's coming in. Well, I welcome all of you to this mesmerized evening that we are celebrating in the Rio Carnival style. Now, the thing is, Mesmerize is all about engaging and connecting with the crowd. Am I right or am I wrong? See, now this is exactly what I'm talking about. When we're talking about engaging and connecting, we're talking about a lot of entertainment, glamour, and all of this is because we want all of you to have fun. Now, if you're not going to get a lot of cheering from the crowd, how are we going to have fun? So, are we here all to enjoy this evening? I want to hear a big yes. That's more like it. That's more like the Cognizant style. Well, let's warm up a little before we start with the evening. So I'd like to invite 4 ladies on stage who have kids back home. Any 4 ladies to come on stage who have kids back home? Yeah, please do come up. I see a few ladies raising their hands out there. Come on, yes. So we have participant number 1. I want another lady who has a kid back home. 4 ladies, are they coming here? I see only 1. Are you the second one? I see 2. I need 2 more. Or I can have 3 more if Cognizant's really enthusiastic. Okay, I have 2 ladies out here. I want 2 more. Ladies, raise your hand. Okay, I have that lady in pink who's coming on stage. All right, please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause, because they are the very first people to volunteer to play this little game with me on stage. Can we have a big round of applause for them once again? It requires a lot of courage to start the evening with me. Okay, let's have an introduction of yours.
Hi everyone, I'm Dipali Nandargi.
Dipali Nandargi. And you are?
Charu Saxena.
Charu Saxena. And you are?
Hi, I'm Jayashree Patil.
Jayashree Patil. And you are?
Hi, I'm Dipali Viragre.
Dipali Viragre. You all have kids back home? My God, you guys look pretty young. I really wouldn't have believed it that you guys have kids back home. Okay, now to the audience and to them. What the game is, you have to keep speaking for 30 seconds. Okay? But what you have to speak is whichever language you're comfortable in. Be it Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, anything. कोई भी लैंग्वेज में आपको अपने बच्चे को 30 सेकंड तक इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने ठीक है एंड वी ऑल नो किड्स कैन बी अ टोटल न्यूसेंस इन बैक होम दे कैन रियली इरिटेट मदर्स एंड आई हैव बीन अ किड बाय सेल्फ एंड आई नो हाउ मच आई इरिटेटेड माय मदर बैक होम सो दैट्स द गेम एंड whosoever goes without stopping will be the winner. Now, there can be a situation where 2 or 3 of you have gone without stopping. So that's where I want the audience to be the judge. I'll be pointing on each one, and the lady who gets the maximum amount of hooting and clapping will be the winner. All right? Come on, Cognizant. All right? Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, let's start with you. Are you ready? How many kids do you have back home?
I just have 1.
1 kid. Right? That's good experience, right? Okay. Are you ready? Yeah?
I just need to give instructions.
Instructions. Any instructions in your language. Your time starts now. Starts now.
Ishan, please don't do this. Please stop eating that. Please, it's very dirty. Don't eat. What else? Come on, Ishan. Stop playing now. It's study time. Please stop now. That's it.
Ma'am, I think you have a really good kid back home. आपको कोई instruction देने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ रही है उसे. Okay, are you ready? And your time starts now.
वी उधर मत जाओ अरे रुको दरवाजा खुला लॉक करो अभिजीत लॉक भाग रहा है वो अरे रुको अरे जमीन से मत खाना बेटा ऊपर उठो गिर मत जाना बेटा देख के अच्छा तुम्हारे लिए ब्रेड जैम रखा है वो खा लो अरे एक नहीं खाना जमीन में मत गिराओ भाई ऊपर उठा लो
काफी शैतान है ना आपको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस लगता है. How many kids do you have? 1 2-year-old. Oh, 2-year-old can be quite naughty. Ma'am, are you ready? Yeah. Yeah? And your time starts now.
पलक उठ जाओ, इट्स 8 o'clock, मम्मी का ऑफिस जाना है, जल्दी उठो, जल्दी जल्दी, नहीं उठना है, प्लीज उठ जाओ, पापा ब्रश कराएंगे। उठ गई, वाओ। चलो मम्मा से खाओगे या पापा से? पापा से, प्लीज, फिर अगेन पापा। ओके, चलो यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ, नहीं खाना है, ये देख लो, नहीं खाना है। ओके चलो हम राइम स्टार्ट करेंगे। ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए, चब्बी चिक्स चाहिए, अभी वो नहीं आएगा, जल्दी से खा लो, मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, जल्दी करो, मैनेजर डांटेगी, जल्दी करो। अरे नहीं कर रही है, चलो पापा आपके हाथ से खाएगी, प्लीज। पलक गुड गर्ल है ना, पलक प्लीज। नहीं, दरवाजे के पीछे बैठ के ही खाना है।
मैम 2 मिनट बोला आपने, कोई बात नहीं। Only eating में बहुत problem है, is it?
I can speak for 2 hours.
Oh my God. How old is your daughter?
2.5 years.
2.5 years. Okay. Ma'am, how many kids do you have back home?
One.
Only one. And how old is he or she?
2 years.
2 years. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Oh, so I expect you to speak for at least 5 minutes.
Fully.
Okay. Are you ready? And your time starts now.
पिहू पिहू तिथे नाही जाऊ प्लीज प्लीज इथे 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 पिहू पिहू थ्रो नाही करू डोंट throwing is bad manners पिहू प्लीज कम हियर डोंट रन you'll fall jump नाही करू no baby पिहू टीव्ही नाही पाहू no eyes no baby मम्मा सारखं चष्मा लागते तुला no
Well done. They've done a great job, haven't they? See, they're all hooting for you, and now I can see that it's the cognizant spirit out there. Okay. I now am going to point at each lady, and the lady who gets the maximum amount of hootings and claps and shouting is the winner. All right? All right? Okay, let's start with her. Not bad, not bad. All right. Let's start with her. Well, you seem to have a lot more supporters in the crowd. Let's start with her. Well done. So clearly she's got the maximum number of hootings till now. Let's start with her now. Okay, I'm a little confused. Let's take both of you a little ahead. Okay, let me hear it out for her once. And her once. Okay. No, I think she's got a lot more hootings because I see the people sitting right out there at the back who also. Yeah. Oh, you have a lot of friends out there. No wonder. She's cheating. You know, उन्होंने पहले से ही बिठा के रखा था भाई मैं जब भी जाऊँ स्टेज पे मेरे लिए बहुत hooting करना. Ma'am, I've got a little prize for you. Can I have those chocolates? Okay. Anyway, ma'am, I'll give you the chocolates and the prize below. अपने बच्चे पे थोड़ा सा तरस खाइए, इतना मत डांटिए उसमें. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for participating. Let's give them a big round of applause, guys. Okay. Now, my next game that I'm going to play is something that I'll require 4 men on stage. 4 young boys on stage, actually. Okay, I have this young gentleman here. Please come on stage. All right, I have my 4 young, handsome gentlemen of Cognizant on stage. Okay, so I believe that all of you think you're young. That's why you're here, right? Okay, let's start with a small introduction of yours, and then I'll tell you what the game is. So what's your name?
Hi, I'm Ankit, a member of CDT.
Okay.
Hi, I'm awesome and my name is Kunal.
Oh my God, he's awesome.
Hi, I'm Naveen from Barclays Space.
Sri Krishna here from Lloyds.
So we have Awesome, we have Naveen, we have Sri Krishna, and we have Ankit. Okay. Now the game is very simple. It's not as complicated as what we played with the ladies. The game is आपको ऐसे counting करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? जिसने सबसे ज़्यादा counting कर ली, उसे prize मिल जाएगा. And जो जहाँ रुका, वो out हो जाएगा. Got it? Is Cognizant ready? Okay, all right. Ankit wants to back out. No?
Yeah. No, actually, I want to have a random sequence.
Ankit, what do you mean by random? He's there, he's gone. Naveen, are you ready? Why did Awesome go so far? Awesome, come here. Aren't you supposed to be awesome at it? Okay? So let's start with Awesome. Awesome, are you ready? Yep. Your time starts now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome, if there was a word in the dictionary called de-awesome, it would apply to you right now. Okay, Naveen, are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Yeah, but not bad. Well done, well done. He's done a great job. Are you ready? Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
हो गया. Oh, it's a break. I think both of them are equal, right? आप भी 24 पे रुके थे और आप भी 24 पे रुके हो, तो आपके बीच में टाई ब्रेकर होगा. अंकित, अगर आपने 24 क्लियर कर लिया, तो आप विनर हो, clearly. Okay?
I'm anyways winner, but still I'll just. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's it. Ankit, mic छोड़ दो आप.
You sure?
Yeah, very sure. आप mic छोड़ दो.
Are you really very sure?
Very sure.
Okay.
My God. Awesome and the winner. Okay, but we have a tie, so this is going to be interesting, right? So let's see. We're going to play the same game because this is a tiebreaker. और देखते हैं कौन 24 को पार करता है, ठीक है? वरना मुझे कुछ लड़कियों को बुलाना पड़ेगा आप लोग को चैलेंज करने के लिए. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39.
सर उसके आगे आपको हिंदी की गिनती नहीं आती ऐसा लगा.
40, 41, 42, 43.
Okay, no problem. आप 38 पे रुके हो, right? So sir, are you giving up? क्योंकि आपको 30 के आगे हिंदी की गिनती नहीं आती. सर मिली भगत नहीं चलेगी, मैच फिक्सिंग नहीं है. आप शुरू कर दो. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
23 पे रुक गए and you are clearly the winner, Naveen. Let's give him a big round of applause and so much, Naveen. That's for knowing the counting of Hindi and English very well. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Awesome and the winner. Thank you so much. Okay. We have Rahul there. Okay, all right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have my co-host out there at the entrance welcoming everybody. I'll be back on stage in a while.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मैं आपका को होस्ट हूं आज का राहुल, और यहाँ अभी आ रहे हैं हम सबके डीसी, जी हाँ, प्रेसिडेंट टेक्निकल सॉल्यूशन देवाशीष चटर्जी जी, साथ में वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड ऑफशोर डिलीवरी हेड QENA मिस श्रीप्रिया। ये जो स्टेज के राइट हैंड साइड में एक कार्निवल जा रहा है, उसमें से डिग्निटरीज आ रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ मिस्टर अश्विन भंडारकर भी हमारे साथ है, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड पुणे सेंटर हेड। सो जोरदार चीयर से इनका वेलकम किया जाए। Okay, good evening everybody. Hi, I'm Rahul here and Ridhima is with me. आज के हम आपके होस्ट हैं और यहाँ हमारे साथ हमारे जो चीफ गेस्ट कह सकते हैं, हम उनको हमारे डिग्निटरीज कह सकते हैं, गेस्ट नहीं एक्चुअली, इस बड़ी फैमिली के, कॉग्निजेंट के फैमिली के वो पार्ट है, वो यहाँ आ चुके हैं। सो वो अपनी जगह पर बैठ चुके हैं। सो हम चलो शुरू करते हैं हमारा इस कार्निवल लाइक नाइट को। सो क्या आप रेडी हैं?
Cognizant, I have already done my job of improving your spirits up. Are you all ready for a wonderful evening tonight? That's more like the Cognizant family.
Perfect. So, Ridhima, all yours.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the QE&A as a unit is always focused on the employee engagement and connect. Hence, based on the inputs from all the various forums, QE&A Talent Management, along with the business leadership, decided and came up with an annual gala event called Mesmerize, so as to bring all its associates from various accounts and geographies together and connect them as one function. Mesmerize is run in parallel across all Q, E, and A locations for almost 2 months, with various pre-elude events running up to the D-Day, along with associates performing. Also, we have is a celebrity performer in front of the senior leadership. So, ladies and gentlemen, I, on behalf of the Cognizant family and the team which has put up this entire event for you, welcome all of you to Mesmerize 2014.
Thank you very much. Check. Thank you very much, Ridhima. आणि मला आता इथेच असलेल्या सगळ्यांना विचारायचं आहे की पुण्यामध्ये सर्वात जोरात कुठला फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट केला होता? सर्वात जोरात कुठला? Correct answer, Ganpati. So, let's begin the celebration for Mesmerize Pune 2014 in a very colorful and vibrant carnival way. चलो तो फिर शुरू करते हैं. हर चीज़ की शुरुआत यहाँ पर हमारे इंडिया में होती है गणपति बाप्पा से. तो पहले होगा गणेश वंदना और ऑल माइटी के ब्लेसिंग्स लिए बिना हम इस प्रोग्राम को शुरू नहीं कर सकते. और जैसे कहते हैं ना गणपति बाप्पा, करेक्ट ना. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये मोरया ए एब्रिवेशन है मोर यानी फॉरवर्ड एंड या मीन्स कम. सो ये हमारा QENA मेस्मराइज 2014 भी कुछ ऐसा ही है. वो भी कहता है कि कम फॉरवर्ड, शो योर टैलेंट, शो योर स्किल्स. सो आई थिंक गणपति बाप्पा से इसकी शुरुआत होनी चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द परफॉर्मेंस. गणेश वंदना फर्स्ट.
सुरवर पूजित जित दानव कलभ भास्वर वर लंबोदर दर हर हर कलभ नौमि श्री भगवन्तं गणपतिमति वरदं वरदन्ती मुखं सुमुखं सादर में कर दो. शरणं करुणावरुणालय चरणं विजितरणं शरणं यामोयमिनं शरणं कृतमत सुवितरणं. जय सुरवर पूजित जित दानव कलभ भास्वर वर लंबोदर दर हर हर कलभ.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, Ganpati Bappa! Superb. Wasn't that a beginning with a bang? Okay, now, again, I have to tell you, we are here to engage, connect, and entertain. So, entertainment is not going to happen.